evening, depending on where you're from. Welcome to a new chapter in our story. Today, we shall learn programming. What an amazing start. Today, we shall learn programming. C# to be more precise, to be more sharp. I have my learning glasses on. I hope you guys have as well. Well, good morning. Mother Alice, the cold leader of the cold, pray to the eggs, and to a chicken, and to sky chickens. Welcome. I hope you had a good day or a good night. But yeah. Wait, let me check something real quick, cause I have PTSD now. I wanna check if I actually am streaming on the correct stream. I don't trust myself anymore. Okay. I am surprisingly not streaming on schedule right now. I hope you guys are proud of me. But yeah, I had a good day. I have my tea ready. I hope you guys have as well. Also, right, I announced it on the Discord, but commissions are open if you guys are interested. I want you guys to be refreshed where I'm from, cause you my booklets, so you deserve it. I just got home from work and eating lunch now. Well, work was not too exhausting. Hope lunch is very yummy. I ate something spicy, so my tummy is hurting a bit. Soon I will be able to handle the spicy food. But yeah, let me go to the learning scene thingy. Swoosh. Yeah. So I wanted to recap for anyone who missed. You know, last episode, our needs like a refresher. My ears ringing. It's going ring. But only my right ear. But yeah, I thought let's do a quick refresher on what we remember. And then I hope it's all working out for you guys. I also zoomed in a bit because I was wondering, it might be a bit difficult to read, right? So I made it bigger. So let me actually drink my tea. Just made. Actually, no, because it's way too hard and I would burn my tongue. Okay. It's time for teaching hours. I'm gonna teach you the thing that we learned yesterday that I don't have any clue about. So please take everything with a grain of salt. Also we're gonna hear, keyboard ASMR. Hope you guys are into that. I know you guys are. So, right, we discussed variables, and Shira made fun of the way I pronounce variables. Okay. And yeah, so there's different types of variable. There's different data types, right? So the way to declare a variable, if I remember correctly, is you have a data type, a variable name, and then you assign it a value. So, imagine the data type is like a container. We can only store specific things. And because you want to organize it better, you slap on a name. And the assigned value is what's in container. Coming into your keyboard ASMR, nice. That's good, that's good. But yeah, I'm trying to refresh something, mind you. I don't know much about programming either, so we are learning it together. But yeah, so here's an example. We have a data container called int. It's a data container of a type int, which means this container can only store whole numbers. Everything else won't fit. Now, you have a container where you start with number 5. But if you now have tons of containers where you have whole numbers, you want to know where the container is where you have this specific number, you would give the container a name. I think that's the best way to imagine it, I guess. I don't know what I'm talking about. Teaching you guys stuff, but I don't know. So we had int as a container as a data type, which stores whole numbers. We had double, which says floating point number, but I call garbage because no one can imagine what a floating point number is, right? I would imagine it's a number that floats in the air, and that's wrong. So, double contains a number with a dot in it, okay? It's a decimal number. It's not a whole number. And I think we had, there's like float and double. Double can just store more numbers after the period. So it's more precise. Same with long, like int can store a lot. Like as you can see, it can stay up to so many numbers. And after that, you kind of need bigger container. Catch my drift. Then we have char, which is just one singular character. Well, the char container can only store singular characters. A string is the superior version of the char container, flexing on it with being able to store actual text. I don't think there's a limit. Yeah, there's still a limit, but like 2 bytes per character. So I guess some person is gonna think about that. It reminds me when you have like essays which have to be this and this long, and you have to write them per head, and when you're like counting each freaking word to make sure you have the correct word. It's basically this. And then we spool. Now, this has nothing to do with drool or anything. It's just whether the statement is true or false. So okay if it's the truth or if you freaking lie. That's what it determines, I guess. But yeah. That's kind of what we discussed last time. We also had a lot of command. So we're actually able to do something, which is the console write line. So white line, console white line, prints out, like showcases in the program what you wanted to showcase. So here it says console white line F1. So we are telling the program, hey, we want you to write the variable F1, which is this one. And we know that the variable F1, don't make fun of the pronunciation here, is this number that I will not even try to pronounce. So it would just print out this number. Wait, I can show you guys. So you guys can see, this is F1, which is apparently 45,000. I don't know why we wrote it so complicated. So this command is printing out red. Don't worry if you don't get something. The way I figured out how programming works is you don't get anything and then you just try and hope you'll get it at some point. Also, by the way, I made an alert for when people subscribe so I can actually congratulate you and welcome you. I had one already, but it didn't work, so I just gave it a reverb. But anyway, let's do the exercise, you know, to rework, refresh our memory. So, you have to decide which data type these are. So, I wonder what this is, Boolean, What does it sound like? Let's start from the top. So, we have a 9. That's a whole number. But we have to use big words because we're programming and programming wants big words. So it's an integer. I don't know how to pronounce it, I just know you write int. My double num. I wonder what this is. It has a decimal, so it could be float or it could be double. But considering there's this really suspicious word thrown into the variable name, guys, I think we're dealing with a double. This is interesting, a lot of info to process. Well, yeah. I'm planning to make for learning programming episodes like around only 1 hour long. That's even for me. Because I don't know what I'm talking about either, right? They're very much big brain. Taking a lot of brain. Taking a lot of brain, yes. So I want them to be a bit more shorter so we can process stuff and we can easily revisit streams. Okay. So yeah, if your brain lags behind, ladies, and don't worry, my brain is already still at last stream. Okay. So this is so clearly the data type is good. I'm just kidding. If only it would be this easy. Think it's Cha, guys. Not Chara from Undertale, though. Cha. Sus. I'm seeing something sus in this word again. So obviously this is a false statement. So clearly it has to be bool. Nothing gave that away. You know, I just guessed that, you know. And then we have the superior version of Cha, the good big brother that actually anyone cares about. String. Now tell me I'm correct. Because I know I am. God damn, I'm smart. Just repeat stuff and you will at some point remember. Okay, so this is new stuff. Now we are reaching the new stuff. Oh, this is interesting. I don't see emojis popping up. Interesting. Anyway, yes, we're now going to deal with the new stuff, which I don't know anything about, so this is gonna be fun. Typecasting is when you assign a value of one data type to another data type. So, am I understanding correctly? So if you have, like, let's say, an integer, and now we're saying no. So we have an integer that's like 5, and when we say no. Actually, this integer that has the value 5 is now gonna be a float. Is that what we mean? I've been doing a bit like on the side, so I know a bit more what I'm talking about. This is completely new, so fun. Also, if you guys think I'm too fast or probably too slow, I'll link the tutorial in the description so you can always check it out yourself. Go along with me, stuff like this. So there are two types of casting. Implicit casting. So this person is completely involved in the murder and actually wants to join, which happens automatically. And here you convert a smaller type to a larger type size. Right, cause child is one singular character. Int is a whole number, so it can be 1, it can be 100. Long is an even longer whole number. Float is a number with a decimal. Double is a number with a decimal but larger. Explicit casting is something that happens manually. It's very explicit, guys, I might have to censor it. Converting a larger type to a smaller size type. Thank you. I think the pacing of your explanations has been good so far. That's good. I think I was a bit fast last stream, so I'm trying to, slow down, take everything in. Hope I won't screw up. So converting a larger type to a smaller size type. So double is a bigger decimal number when a float. So this is small. Just basically the same thing, but the opposite direction. Really small, really big, really big, really small. Okay. So now we go to implicit casting, which is, converting a smaller type to a larger type size. So implicit casting is done automatically when passing a smaller size type to a larger size type. Okay, let's try it out. So we have an int, an integer, a whole number, named my int, which stores the value 9. And then we have double, named my double, which stores my int. So, as you guys know, we have my int, which is an integer which is smaller than a double. And my int is currently storing a 9. We now want my double to store the value of my int. So this would be 9. Because my int is 9. It's like math, just imagine this being like the x equals 9. And now we say double my double equals x. Guess. It's a bit difficult to wrap our heads about, I guess, but let's try it out. So yeah, my int is 9. That was printed out here. Write the line my int, which is 9. And my double equals my int, which equals 9. So this is now 9 as well. But considering my double is double type, there's a lot of doubles here. The 9 is now part of the double type, not the integer type. At least here. I think that's how it goes. Let's just see, try out more things and see if we can get the hang out of it. Gonna drink my tea. Which hopefully it's not gonna burn me to death anymore. Explicit casting must be done manually, okay? So this is manually. This is just done automatically. This one is cooler. By placing the type in parentheses in front of a value. So if you have the original one. So we have the variable of the data type double, which we named my double, which currently stores a value 9.78. And now we want to turn the double, something smaller. We want it to be an integer now, that we are gonna call my int. And to turn my double into an integer, so this is now, we want to now turn it into something smaller. We're gonna say in parentheses what kind of data type we want, just the integer. And then what we're gonna turn into the integer, which is currently my double. So, currently our double, our bigger one, with the decimal, is 9.78. But now we turn this into an integer, and an integer is a whole number, right? So now it's obviously 9, because it can't have the decimals after that. So we can see from it that the transforming it into a new data type has succeeded. Huh. Oh my god. No. You know so many big words already. Not the red stuff. It is also possible to convert data types explicitly by using built-in methods such as convert to boolean, convert to double, convert to string, convert to int 32 int, and convert to int 64 long. Am I? Okay, I think the 32 just has something to do with the bytes. Because the int can store a smaller number, which means it takes less memory. So I think that's where the 32 and the 64 comes in, but don't trust me on this, I don't know what I'm talking about. So if we don't want to do this, you can just say the easy words of convert this to a freaking boolean. Okay. So as an example, my brain is already starting to hurt. You have an int, you have a data type int, called myInt, stores the value 10. You have a double, which we called myDouble, which currently stores at 5.25, and we have a bool. The word bool sounds so funny. Called myBool, which currently is true. MyBool is currently true. And in here, this is just gonna be printed out in our program, right? This is just us seeing it in the program thanks to this. We want the converted version of myInt to string to be shown in a program. So myInt, right, is 10. We're gonna convert that to a string. So now we're having a number 10. It would become like 10 written out, I guess. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. And then that's gonna be shown in the program. I guess this is where the math comes from, because you also start at the innermost parenthesis, right? So here we have myInt, which is 10 again. And we want to convert this into the double now. And then we want to show that converted double. So considering 10, we converted, right? Double has decimals, but 10 doesn't really have a decimal. It would just be 10.0, I guess. Here it would just show 10. So here we have my double, which is 5.25. We want to convert that into an integer, shorter number. So that will then be shown, that converted thing. So it would show 5. Because now we don't have a decimal anymore. We just convert it into a whole number. Then we have my bool, which is true. And we want to convert that into a string, aka text. So it would just showcase the word true written out. Let's try and see if I'm correct. Oh my god, I'm so smart. Actually, no, I'm not. Okay. I guess it would make sense for the 10 to actually be written out, like in letters. But this is close enough. I'm so smart. Why conversion? Thank you. That's what I'm wondering about. Why do I need this difficult stuff? Many times there's no need for conversion. You had it, guys. You can immediately forget everything that we just discussed. If something doesn't have meta, then it's unnecessary. But sometimes you have to. God damn it. Take a look at the next chapter when working with user input to see an example of this, guys. We gotta input stuff. Now. Okay, now we're getting serious. Get user input. You have already learned that console.writeLine is used to output they call it print values. Now we will use console readLine to get user input. Ooh. I'm excited. And I need my tea. Okay. In the following example, the user can input his or her username. You could just say their username, which is stored in the variable username. Then we print the value of username. So type your username, press enter. So console WriteLine, enter username. So it's just gonna print that in the program. So it's just gonna save it in the program. And then create a string variable. So we want a username, right? Which is a text. So we need a string variable. And get user input from the keyboard and then start in the variable. So we want a string, right? Because we want a text. We want a username, which is a text. And we're gonna name that specific string, whatever we're gonna type in username. Yeah, the examples are great. And then what is gonna be the username is whatever they write. Without limits. Hey, I want to try something right now. Print the value of the variable username, which will display the input value. So we want to write out in the program the text username is, and then whatever they typed in. Whatever they typed in here. So let's try it out. So here we have this first line, enter username, which is this. It's writing out the line, enter username. Now we're on the second part. We're gonna write down the username, and that's gonna be saved as a variable username. So my name is obviously Tutelage. Pressing enter. And when we get username we want to write down as well as a variable username, which is whatever we wrote here. And now I want to try something. There's no data limit, isn't it there? Maybe we should be long enough. Where is my username? This is why you limit how many letters you can write in the username. Where it is. This is my nickname now. I expect all of you to remember my nickname. I'm having fun breaking these codes. Rather than making them. So yeah, this is basically just whatever we write. It's a new code and it's basically saying just write stuff and it's gonna be saved in the variable. User input in numbers. The console readLine method returns a string. Therefore, you cannot get information from another data type, such as int. The following program will cause an error. We love to see errors. So, as an example, we're gonna say console WriteLine enter your age. So it would there would just be like enter your age. That's what we see in the program. And then we want to save whatever we write, which is supposed to be an int and a whole number, and the variable age. Constant red line, so we're just gonna appear afterwards. Your age is, and then whatever I wrote in. But class constant read line only saves strings, which will cause an error because the code is expecting an integer, then this cannot be an integer, it can only be a string. Cannot implicitly convert type string to int. You know what? Let's actually try it out ourselves. Enter your age, I think, was it? Let me write. I can't try it out. It won't allow me to write in it. Sucker. Boring. Lame. Anyway, it's gonna get an error. Yeah, so we cannot implicitly convert type string to int. But we learned in our previous thing that we can convert data types, and I already forgot how to do that. Please remind me, oh great tutorial gods. Luckily for you, you just learned from the previous chapter, typecasting, that you can convert any type explicitly by using one of the convert to methods. Oh, yeah, there was something like that, wasn't it? So, it's just gonna be shown enter your age. And then we want... Oh my god. We want an integer. But it's gonna be named age. So, you're gonna type something in. Maybe, I don't know. We read 10. Just maybe gonna write out 10. And then you're gonna convert that to a number, so it's not a string anymore. So there's no errors anymore. And that is then gonna be saved as variable age. And now it can be printed out. Let's see. So if you have 10, now there's no errors anymore. Let's go. Because this, even though it looks like an integer, it's still considered a string, a text by the program apparently, and it still needs to be converted. Let me try if I write out 10. Yeah. So it definitely has something to do with 10 being considered a string, even though it's written like this. So it's considered text. And the program still needs to convert that into an integer, a whole number, so that it isn't considered a text anymore by the program. I don't get why that is, but sure. Gods. If you enter wrong input, e.g. text and a numerical input, you will get an exception / error message. You will learn more about exceptions and how to handle errors in a later chapter. Thank you. I can already see a lot of errors happening. So, fill in the missing parts to get user input stored from a variable username. So, we want... I think it was read line when it has this parenthesis for some reason. And this is, we are expecting a string, so there's no need to convert anything. We expected text, because username is text. If we write down a numbers. Stupid, we don't accept usernames with numbers in it. You need to be very original, guys. My brain is already starting to hurt. How about you guys? How are you faring? You're somewhat getting it? You're already completely lost? Okay, I'm gonna Drink more tea. To feed my brain with a sugary goodness. And once again, you can always come back to the stream, rewatch it, reread stuff. That's why I put the tutorial in the description. I get how it's like when everyone's going so fast and you just don't get it. And then you just need to reread it real quick and be like, I think maybe I got it now. I don't know. I get it. C-sharp operators. Okay, we're gonna operate on somebody now. I hope everyone has a doctor degree. So otherwise they might be screwed. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. And the example below, we use the plus operator to add together to... No. Oh no. It's already starting, guys. You know how people say you need maths for programming? Be here. This is maths. I hope everyone knows how to addition stuff. Hope everyone knows how to addition and all of its stuff. Okay, let's go with math. So we have the data type integer, whole number. But we're gonna name x. You want to know what x is, and x is 100 plus 150, guys. This is now a really difficult question, I know. What do you think is x? What do you guys think is x? Okay, wait, guys. I know it's very difficult and it's probably gonna take a while to like calculate and all, but no, she didn't count. But I believe in you guys. It's appearing quick on the streaming for me. I didn't see it as quickly as you guys see it on the stream, which is funny. Can you guys figure it out? I know it's very difficult, but you think it's 150? I don't know. Should we test it out? Oh my god, how did you do this so fast? Are you a genius? Guys, I think we have geniuses in our chat. You guys are too smart for your own good. You guys are too smart for your own good, huh? Clearly you are the best in your classroom, I can already see that. Okay. So, as you guys saw, 100 plus 50 equals 150, so x equals 150. Are you an accountant? That explains everything. That's why you're so smart and fast with the maths, huh? See how it is? And we write down x, which is 150, as well, very much correctly calculated. Although the plus operator is often used to add together two values, like in the example above, it can also be used to add together a variable and a value, or a variable and another variable. Oh no. We're reaching complex math now. So we have a variable named someone. I don't know who it is, but it's someone. And someone is 100 plus 50, as we know. This is 150. I love how I wrote down what the numbers are, just so you know. Just so you're not confused with the maths. I wrote it down for you. So someone is 150. sum 2 is sum 1, which is 150, plus 250, which is 400. Sum 3 is sum 2, which is 400, plus sum 2, which is 400, which equals 800. Do you already hate your life? Me too. Let's see if the answers that we've already shown to us are actually correct. We didn't lie to us, guys, so I think that's a positive start. Okay, oh no. Oh no. I'm seeing things that I don't like. This is not gonna be good. Okay. So we have addition, which adds together two values. And as an example, x plus y, so x is 5, y is 3, so x plus y, 5 plus 3, 8. Makes sense. We have subtraction, x minus y, so if x is 5, y is 3, and x minus y, I take 5 minus 3, we get 2. Multiplication. you into it, Lizard? Cause I'm not. How are you feeling? How does this make you feel? You know, it all started when I was 1. Okay, we have multiplication. We have x is 5, y is 3, x times y, 5 times 3 is 15. Thank you very much. Division. So if x is 12, y is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then we have whatever this is. I have never seen this before. What is a modulus? Like, I legitimately don't know, right? Huh? Okay, guys, I'm currently gonna quickly go and see if I can find a German translation and see if I actually know it. I just don't know English word. Modulus. German. Yeah, I have no idea what this is. In mind, so I did my final exams in math. I was an A student. Damn. Okay. We have whatever business returns for division reminder. Aha. Am I expected to know this? Right now we're actually going into big brain mouth, what way? So we have x is 5, y is 2, x modulus is something 2 equals 1. Huh. Huh. I need help, Google. I'm lost. What exactly is modulus? An integer that can be divided exactly into the what? What? Excuse me, please, in dumb English. I need dumb English. What is modulus of example? The mod. The Discord mod. It's actually with Discord mod. So a reminder after dividing a number by another example. So you say 1 mod 9, so this is 5 mod 2. But what's so weird? I'm very confused now. Lucian, so happy you're saying this because I am too. I have never heard of this. Have any of you heard of modulus before? It's just like something you're supposed to know? Okay, so example 100 mod 9 equals 1. Yeah, that makes sense. Because 100 divided by 9 equals 11 apparently. Wait, let me get my calculator. Calculator, son, I need your help. 100. You know what it is? It's so 100 divided by 9 equals 11 dot 1 something 1. Is it because the decimal number is 1? Because the first decimal number is 1? Is that why it's 1? I'm so confused. I think you need a second number first. 7 is the modulus of 25 and 11. Why? 25 divided by 11 is 2.27. So it's not the first number of does not include the decimal? I'm too stupid for this. So you know what was it? Talk to you in school? It wasn't for me. Engineering maths, first aid kit. What? I've seen this symbol before, but like, it's something different. I've definitely seen this symbol before, but it was used for something different. Yo, I need my help. I'm very much lost. A 9 fits into 10, 11 times. Because 9 times 11 equals 99. 100 minus 9. Oh. For what would you need that for? Genuinely, for what would you need that for? Oh. I think I get it. I don't get why I need that for. I don't get why I would ever need to have a number, right? For what do you need murderers? For what do... What? For what do you need a murderers? Yeah, but why would you need that for? I think I get how it works. I don't get why you would need that for. Why would you need that number of all things? Yeah, but why would you want to know that number? Huh. Yeah, it does not seem particularly useful. Oh no, man, these are formulas. No. I'm getting PTSD. We're not gonna go into this. We're not gonna go into this, okay? I think we know, thanks to Bullheart's absolutely smart genius, how modulus work. Will I ever use them? Hopefully not, because my brain is dying. I don't know why I would need that, but now we know how it works, so the 2 and 5 fits in 2 times, right? 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the mod of 5 mod 1, 2 will equal 1. I don't know why I would ever want that number, but now we know. Increment increases the value of a variable by 1. So we have 5. We want to increase the value of 5 by 1. So we're just gonna write these 3 x's. It's gonna turn into 6. And decrement is basically doing the same thing, but now rather than 2 pluses, we have 2 minuses, so it's gonna lower it. And it did. Damn. Hey Untitled, you just missed us being completely confused and then being saved by roll. Untitled, do you know what a modulus is? Don't look at the chat, just think about it. What do you think a modulus is? I wanna know if maybe you know it. Maybe you're just explaining how you could calculate that with programming if you needed to. Yeah, I don't know why you would. I definitely don't know why you would want the modulus. But yeah, hi Onaka, I hope you had a good day. A good night's sleep. It's time for brain dead. Okay. C# assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. In the example below, we use the assignment operator equal to assign the value 10 to a variable called x. So we have a variable called x, which is of a data type integer. Just a whole number, and we want to assign it 10. We've been doing that a while now. The addition assignment operator plus equal adds a value to a variable. Oh, welcome. Good day or good night, depending on where you are. Hope you had a good day or good night's sleep. You now have to answer the question, what is a modulus? I don't want to look like I'm stupid. What is a modulus? I have 10 seconds to answer this. I expect an answer and a reply soon, okay? So, yeah. We have a variable called x, which has been assigned the value 10. It's from a data type integer, as you know, because 10 is a whole number. And now we have x, which is 10. But we're gonna add a value of 5 to the 10, so I think it should be 15, right? So we have 10 and we're gonna add 5 to it, right? Oh my god, I'm so smart, guys. I am absolutely shocked at how smart I am. How is the career to becoming HMN Alice? Some are good. I was sadly stopped by a very sudden yet very difficult to breach barrier called mob. So yeah, I'm trying my best to succeed, but we'll have to see. The list of all assignment up out. Eh? Oh no, not the modular stuff. Don't go with the modular stuff. I can't. What is this? I was taught that in math class. Hi. So x equals 5. I get that. Plus x. So x plus x. Wait, what? Plus equal. I'm sorry. X plus equal 3 is x equals x plus 3. So if x is 5 and x plus equal 3, it's gonna add it's 5 plus 3, and that's gonna equal x. So it's gonna be 8. Are you enjoying yourself, guys? Because I am not. Let's continue. Mine is equal. It's basically doing the same thing, but you know, minus stuff. So it would be 5 minus equal 3 as an example would be 2, right? Oh my god. Okay. I kinda get where we're going, but that's not. And we have multiplication equal. Let's see. I better have examples. So x is 5, and we have 5, which we're gonna multiply with 3, which is 15, and that equals x. Okay. Same with division. We have x, which equals 5. This is 5. We're gonna divide that by 3, which is whatever this is. And that's gonna equal x. Huh. Now we come into the dark stuff. The dark side of math. Mod equal. So we have 5. We're gonna mod 5 by 3. Okay? Yeah, no, it works. And I will now explain to you guys how mod works, okay? So we have a 5, okay? We're gonna mod that by 3, okay? So how often does a 3 fit into a 5? 1 time. So if you do 2 times 3, right? Gonna equal 6. And 1 times 3 is gonna equal 3. The 3 fits into the 5, the 6 not anymore. The 6 is too big. 6 is too fat. So we have this, so we know 3 fits to 5 1 time, so 5 minus 3 equals 2. So we do this, so we know 5 mod 3 is 2, which equals x. I'm so sorry for everyone's day I am currently ruining. I wish I could stop this hell. When we have whatever, why do we have end symbols now? My head hurts from all this mouth. Same, man. Same. I am in severe pain. How does an end... Huh? What is end? Hey, I've never seen an end in my life in math class. Huh? Your help, please. I need your help. What is an end? I feel like I'm so unaware. I write you an accountant. The numbers are gonna haunt you. They will always be here with you, Roha. You will never escape them again. What is an and? I'm so lost. Okay, just so we have x, which is 5. So we have 5. We're gonna add something 3. And when equals 1 for some reason, I don't know. I'm so sorry, Nimrod. I'm so sorry now. Then please tell me. Then please tell me. I don't only want to know what the heck is 5 and 2 and why does it equal 1? I'm so lost. I actually don't remember what and does in programming with that. Roy has not know with that. So you play that Japanese. What you do cry. That's what we did now. Cry. There's this thing called math. Modulus? No, the percentages modulus. And, right? Percentages modulus, like... That's modulus, right? I'm so lost. But I mean, but actually, this is correct, right? The modulus of 5 mod 2 would be 1, right? Cause 2 fits into 5 2 times, cause it's 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. So the modulus of 5 mod 2 would be 1. But then why is it not the modulus? 5 add 2 equals. No, it's not a plus. It's an and. What does and mean? What does and mean in a map? So lost. Yeah, I've seen this, but I haven't seen whatever this is. Please tell me random people out there on the internet. Eh? So it could mean an additive, it could mean... Huh? No, it's not a conditional. Eh? Guys, I don't get it. No, but this is... Huh? Eh? So it could be... Eh? Oh wait, this is 3. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. This is 3 equals 1. Sorry guys, my breath sneeze. Why is 5 and 3 equals 1? Wait, so I read that 1 can also mean true, right? And 0 can mean false. And I saw they were talking about it being a conditional. So does it mean 5 and 3 equals true? But why does it equal true? I don't get it anymore. No, I'm not talking about an ampersand. What? It's not multiplication because 5 times 3 does not equal 1. Greater? Oh. That doesn't mean... Huh? So as an example, 5 is greater than 3. Right? But that's true. 5 is greater than 3. So considering that statement is true at this one, is that what I mean? Eh? Is it basically... Wait. That is true. And because true equals 1, it's 1? Is that it? I hope this won't scrap up. Let's see. So if I put 1, right? 1 is greater than 3, but should be 0, right? Am I smart enough? Oh wait, I'm sorry. I did not figure it out. I'm wrong. This is not what this is. Mathematical symbols are there. Except all. I don't care. Get my cookies, I guess. No, it's a percentage here. You're talking about modulus. It's not here. It wasn't here. What does that mean? Wait, what does... No, what I am animal. What does this mean? What does this do in C#? It's so loud. What? Concatenate? What does concatenate mean? I'm sorry, I'm stupid, please. Google Translate. I'm begging you. Right, actually. Wow, what was that? It means links things together and you could just say it in simple terms, man. Okay. So links is string expression, but this is not a string expression, it's numbers. I don't It's numbers, bro. I don't get it. Get it. Yeah, I get my cookies, I guess. Hello, or whatever this is. I don't understand what this means. What the freaking fully gets this? I'm so lost. Am I supposed to know when everyone's saying something different? We're not talking about bulls, we're talking about integers. Why? I don't get this. Huh. I think this is gonna do something and it does stuff. This does stuff. I think it's conclusion we can't come up with. You're stupid trend and it's not random your barcode, I agree. No hands anymore. Never get banned. Oh my god, what does this mean? Huh? What does this mean? Could you not say what this is? I'm so lost. What does this mean? What does... No. What does mean in C# community? No. This? What does this mean? They're not equal, you effing idiot. This equal. Pipe equal. Wow. This means this. Wow, I think I better. It means to perform a bitwise operation. So this has something to do with bits. Let's just go with this rule. I don't think you're gonna figure it out. This I think I know. This is like the up thing, right? Wait, I thought this is... Is it not? I thought this is this, right? Which would be equal to 5... Up 3, right? It's not? It's not? It should be 125, not I'm lost. Let's not look at these anymore. I am lost. I don't want to see whatever again. Screw you. Screw you. Screw you. Anyway, comparison operators are used to compare two values. Two equal signs means it's equal to. It just means we're assigning it a value. Now we're saying it. Here we're saying it is, and here we're saying it is equal to. Okay, this is an important difference. So we're saying 5 is equal to 3, which is obviously not true. So it's gonna say false. This means not equal. So 5 does not equal 3. That's true. Thank you. Finally you get like things I can actually get. We have this, which means greater than. I learned better in math. I learned better in math class for sure. So 5 is greater than 3, which is true. Yeah, flash. 5 is less than 3, which is false. X is greater than N. I agree. Greater than or equal to. We learned this in math class. You guys should know these. Oh no. Logical operators are used to determine the logic between variables or values. So to AND, the logical AND, returns true if both statements are true. So if, as an example, x is lesser than 5, and if x is lesser than 10, then this statement is true. So if 5 is greater than 3, which it is, and if 5 is lesser than 10, which is true, this statement is true. The logical OR returns true if one of the statements is true. So if one of them is true here, both of them have to be true here, only one of them has to be true. So 5 is greater than 3, which is true. 5 is lesser than 4 is false. Because saying this is true, this entire thing is true. And then the logical NOT. Reverses the result. So something returns false, it's gonna return it false if it's true. So 5 is greater than 3, this is true. And 5 is lesser than 10, this is true. So this is true. But because we say not, it's not true. So it's false. You will learn more about comparison and logical operators and booleans, and if I'll shut that, you just tell me we will never touch those again. I will never ever want to touch those again. I will never ever want to touch those again. Multiply 10 with 5. After all this, or whatever, this is what you're gonna ask me? I don't know what the multiplication symbol is. I don't know. Maybe it's this one. Damn. Sophia! No! It's getting worse. It's getting worse. Should we just do this one more and then we're gonna call quits? Okay, I'm gonna trust you guys' brain, but it's not as brain as I am currently. Let's hope we can do this. The C# math class has many methods that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. I hate my life. Math.max, x, y. Math.max. Why are you teaching me this difficult stuff before the easy stuff? I've never seen those things before. No tutorials taught me about maths like this. X to Y method can be used to find the highest value of X and Y. Okay. So between 5 and 10, biggest value is 10. So if you say math max, it will tell you the biggest number is 10. Why would you? But if you wait, but wouldn't? The last number would always be. It could just be type 100 then. Math min method can be used to find the lowest value of X and Y. I'm gonna surprise you and tell you it's 5. God damn, I'm smart. Math Scraddle? Scraddle? I'm so lost. I needed those glasses on me today. But the math Scraddle X method returns the square root of X. Heck yeah, let's go. Wait, what? Is it? Oh no. Yeah, it's 8. I knew that. You were scared at 64 is 8. I knew that. You had nothing. Math absence, like your father when he said he wanted to go buy milk. The math absence method returns the absolute positive value of X. So it just turns the negative number into a positive number? We're getting big brain. We indeed are getting big brain. Damn. Hi, Shira. Hello. I'm very sorry. We're currently doing maths. Don't worry. Gonna stop soon. But I hope you enjoy math round. Math round. Rounds a number to the nearest whole number. So this is gonna surprise y'all, but I think it's gonna be 10. 9.99. I think it's gonna be 10. And now we're gonna go into the exercise. So we have X, which is 5. We have 10. We have Y, which is 10. We want the highest value of X and Y. So we want the maximum number between X and Y. Which obviously is gonna be Y, so I don't know why we're doing this, but there it is. Are you guys feeling smart already? Huh? Okay, we're reaching now, like, I think, I'm sorry, Shira, because you're here, only now, but I think, we just finished the math chapter of C# basics, I think we, after, this dreadful experience, this traumatic experience, I think we need to have a chat, you know? A therapeutic chat, you know? To leave things off well, to ensure your mental health has not suffered too greatly. The next things are gonna be easier. Hopefully. I mean, they aren't the end symbol. So I think it should be good. But yeah, my brain is currently feeling like it's gonna explode, so I don't think I should continue. Because I literally cannot get anything more into my brain. So let's have a chat. How are you doing? How are you feeling? I smile for to call you a family. I love your classes, thank you. These are my programming classes. A very serious programming classes. Alice's brain is grown too big and needs a rest, yes. I see mine. You don't flirt with me when Nimrod's in, huh? I mean, I also only want them to be, I only want my streams to be around 1 hour and 30 minutes, around like that, so everyone can easily, we watch them, process everything, what we sadly have to process today. I know it's been difficult, I know, what has been tasked of you is a bit too much. I agree, it was a bit too much on my end as well. But I hope you will be able to recover from this. I'm doing good. How is your day going, Alice? Damn, is I'm doing math. That's my day. Streams around hour, not an hour. No 100-hour stream. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this dreadful experience with me. And programming hours, yes. Serious programming hours. I've been doing a bit more on the Blender side of things, I'm currently programming hours instead of storytellers. No, I will not lose my job. I will not become jobless. Math is horrible to do on any day. Thank you, Vincent. You agree? It's nice to hear you learn. Shira, you missed it, but I wasn't learning really. I was just spiraling down in the abyss of despair, suffering. I asked Google for answers, even Google didn't know. If Google doesn't know, does anyone know? Right? I don't think we can trust the Googles next time, guys. Next time we're gonna let me look real quick. Gonna do strings, stuff like that. But yeah, so I think it's gonna be fun. We're gonna leave them off behind. But to recap what we did today, we learned how to convert data types to our data types. So if you have like a decimal number, we can now convert it into a whole number, like a smart person can. Can convert like a text into a number and stuff. Pretty awesome stuff. We learned how user input works. So if a user types in something, we can use that. That's what we learned. So if you guys are interested, make sure to either just do a tutorial until C# strings, or you can watch this video and learn along. And yeah, when we had math, and I think we all agree that we will forget about the math. We shall not talk about the math. There is no math, and there never shall be. But yeah, I don't think I should continue streaming out. Yeah, I'm gonna lose my brain cells for tomorrow's stream, which tomorrow we gonna stream with Nim. We're gonna have a Nim stream. I'm gonna stream with the Nims. Nim's not gonna stream, to my knowledge. He's just gonna be here on my channel. We're gonna play AI Dungeon, and you're gonna hear deep reading voice Alice. Hopefully. I plan to do some readings, maybe with deep reading voice Alice. So that's a lot of big brain learning. Yeah, actually we did a lot today. Yeah, so we got a stream here, and I hope you all are super duper excited. From my knowledge, AI Dungeon is us creating the story, so it's gonna be tons of nice, pleasant reading. I hope you guys are excited. And also, what's also the schedule? I know my own schedule, guys. You guys know I'm very prepared. We also have some Moon Factory 4 this week. I'm sure you missed it. I missed it. And we also have some more Fake Art. More Fake Art after a disastrous fight last time. I would really recommend anyone who does not play FGO to check out our last FGO stream. Cause that fight was something. Gonna do programming your mouth in AI Dungeon. No programming, no mouth them, okay? But yeah, we are gonna do collab with you. Cutest collab of all time. We're gonna do some Factory specials and more Great Granada. And FGO fight was too much. It was something. The fancier fight of the best. Yes. I completely annihilated the enemy in that fight, let me tell you. Yeah, I really recommend everyone to check it out. It was really fun. And yeah, I think Nim is gonna stream in 30 minutes, so everyone should get drinks and food ready so we can see Nim and Ghana. I think Nim is gonna collab with Papa, no? Yeah, I think that's gonna happen. So I hope y'all preparing stuff for this. And we're gonna have funsies, right? I'm gonna be there always to see how I can stay awake. But yeah, I will. Before I go, I also just really want to quickly thank you guys. I'm always surprised because there's like games that I know a lot of you guys don't play. And the intro, you don't know what's going on, but you come into the stream. I have this programming stream. I'm still surprised to see so many people being like, I want this. So I'm glad that you guys like what I'm doing. So I'm always very I would do it because I like doing it, but seeing you guys also like it really makes me happy. I didn't expect so many viewers to show up, so thank you. And I'm sorry for my mouse, guys. I'm sorry to traumatize you guys. Sorry I came late. No, it's fine, Chira. It's fine. Even if you just watch the watch, it already makes me the happiest person in the world. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. I gotta be thankful. Anyway, it's time for the bye-byes. Hope you're ready for the